Hello, hello, ladies. I am already in Italy, in Positano, and how could I not show you this view? This video is about makeup and the makeup that I take with me, especially when I travel, but you know, I had to. It's so pretty in here. Okay, now I'm gonna let you enjoy the video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrea Lee. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the makeup products that I like to take with me when I travel and my must-haves. Today, as I'm filming this, is Thursday, and Saturday I'm leaving to Italy. I'm going on vacation and it's a little bit of work as well. There is a gala in there where I need to do some celebrities' makeup. And today I'm not going to talk about the makeup kit that I take with me as a makeup artist, but my personal makeup kit. And to be completely honest with you, in this little makeup case is where I keep pretty much my everyday makeup products. They do tend to change. I wanted to talk about my makeup bag first because this I'm going to show you first what it looks like completely full. This is like so full. This is it. It's not huge, but it's also not very small. I love to have options. So whenever I travel, I'm thinking about how I can pair the makeup with my outfits and what would work in terms of, like, let's just say I get a red lipstick. Okay, what would I do? A nude eye? Would I do eyeliner? Like, there is a lot of thought put into this before I go somewhere. Let me show you what this bag looks like. I think I've showed you this many times before. It's from Amazon and it's really inexpensive. I love that it's black, it has a zipper. It's not the cleanest, okay, because like I said, I use it very often, and now it's been 3 years since I'm using the same makeup bag. What I love about it is that it's so well organized. Like, this is what it looks like. So you get to really see everything you have. I promise you, this makeup bag will literally make you use all your products because they're not going to be hidden somewhere. You know, they're all like flat. I really love it. I think it's an amazing product to have. In here you could add brushes, or you could put, like me, you know, pencils. And then in here on the lower side, I like to add all like foundations and powders and everything else. This part right here can totally be customizable. So it comes with these dividers that you can move however you want. And then what I also like is that on this side you have a little zip, a bit more place for your makeup. So in here is where I usually keep my palettes, and I have to say I don't really do a lot of makeup for my eyes when I'm on vacation. It's very rarely that I do more than, you know, black eyeliner, or I have like an eyeshadow topper that I like to apply. However, I do have these with me, you know, just in case I want to do something a bit more extra, is because they're very small, not only because I love the colors. These are Charlotte Tilbury, and this one is La Dolce Vita. Yeah, this is La Dolce Vita, and then the other one is the Golden Goddess. And then I have makeup removers that I rarely use. To be honest with you, I use it to clean my makeup products, because sometimes, you know, let's just say you apply your concealer with your fingers, you know, then if you touch something, it drives me nuts when I see like fingerprints with foundation or concealer. No, so I usually take one of this, clean everything, you know, just to have everything look nice and clean. I'm going to start with the top, just because it's easier and you get to see it better. So in here I have an eyeliner. Actually, I have two eyeliners. Let's put them close together. I have the Too Faced one, and I also have the Tom Ford eye definer pen. To be honest, I don't need both of them. But the Too Faced one is waterproof. So just in case I need something that is waterproof, I have it in here. And then I love this duo for my lashes. I love the Lancome mascara primer and the Lancome Hypnose mascara. I also have my eyelash curler from Shiseido right here. Eyebrows, I have, of course, the Brow Flick from Glossier. If you've been watching my videos, you know I love this brow pen. And then if I want something that looks a bit more like powdery, but a bit more natural, I'll be using the Aqua Resist Brow Definer from Makeup Forever. My shade is medium brown. I have a lot of lip liners. Sometimes I would just use lip liner, a little bit of a lip balm, and that's it. I have these two Huda Beauty lip liners. I love it because they're very, very long lasting and the colors are really, really good. So Sandy Beige is more of a warm tone lip liner, and then Honey Beige has a little bit of pink. I love this one. NYX Lip Pencil in the color Natural. It's like one of my favorites to use on a daily basis. And then I also have Gucci Nude, which is a super natural lip liner, something that I would apply if I want to do a no makeup look. Again, another two lip liners. One is red, which I really like, from KVD. And then I have this one from Makeup Forever. It's actually what I have on my lips right now. In the color 700, whichever coral. I have a brown pencil, like this is so universal, this color, dimensional dark brown. I could just apply it at the base of the lashes and then like spread it a little bit, and it would be like a super soft smoky. And then I also have this dark, super dark blue from Marc Jacobs. Then we're going to move on to this section right here. Well, I forgot to mention I do keep always my tweezers with me. You never know when you have to like, or you know. I'm gonna put this down so it's just like easier. So first, I always take with me a Beautyblender because it takes less space than if I would take brushes for foundation, concealer, and blush, because I usually apply with my Beautyblender all of these three steps, all of these three products. I told you before, I wash my Beautyblender right before I use it, so it's great because you need to use it wet anyway. I always take with me this primer, you know I love it, Makeup Forever Shine Control, great if you have oily skin. And then I have three different products for my base. I have the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. I'm using the color Saint Moritz for, you know, days when maybe I'm at the beach and I want a little bit of something. You don't want to apply too much foundation on vacation, right? But then I also have YSL if Alex wants to take some pictures of me and I want to glam up a bit. I would use this one because it looks really amazing in pictures and it like covers everything. And for days when I'm like in between, maybe I'm going for dinner and I want to look beautiful but not too glammed up, I will use the Shiseido Synchro Skin Glow because this, like nothing compares with the glow, the finish, the color, the consistency of this foundation. I've talked about this before, so I'm not gonna get into it too much right now, but I love it and I always have it with me when I travel. When it comes to highlighter, I have this one from Rare Beauty in the color Mesmerize because it's also not too big compared with other cream highlighters that I have. Concealer, I have three concealers, exactly like I have three foundations. I always keep with me three concealers. Touche Éclat from YSL for like just a little bit of you know, brightening situation. A Radiant Creamy Concealer from NARS in Custard, a little like extra coverage. And then if I want to go in, I'll use the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer, and my color is Macadamia. Now I have quite a lot of products for my skin. I absolutely love this stick. This is from Nude Sticks and it's the Nudies Matte All Over Bronze color in Sunkissed. The most beautiful color. I mean, you gotta believe me. Let me show you. It's like a super nice, universally beautifying color. I use that term a lot. I should stop. It's not brown, it's not pink, it's like somewhere in between. It's just gorgeous. I forgot to talk about this Sisley Instant Glow Primer. I love this primer under foundation, under any foundations. I rarely use it here just because it is very, very expensive. And I know that there are products that maybe are doing the same thing and they're not as expensive, but I have it, I use it, I take it with me on vacation. Makeup by Mario contour stick. I love this. It's what I'm wearing right now. I don't know if I showed you guys these blushes from Natasha Denona. These are called Puff Paint, and it's a liquid blush serum. And what I love about it is that it doesn't take a lot of space. Like, look, you see, it's like just a wash of color. Sometimes I use this color on my lips. It's a nice warm brown, and you could apply it as a bronzer too. Like, I love these two. Of course, I have my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit with me always. For the eyes, I have two cream products. I like to use this Nude Sticks Magnetic Nude Glimmer. This is great because it comes with this applicator. Super nice, you guys, especially for summer. Check this out. This is new from Charlotte Tilbury, Eyes to Mesmerize and Pillow Talk. But the color, ooh, the color is gorgeous for like pinkish but not too pink kind of looks. Love. Then I always have this mirror. You see this mirror in every single one of my tutorials. The reason why I love it is because on one side there is a normal mirror, and then on the other side there is a magnifying mirror. So the magnifying mirror, it's an absolute must for me because I don't have good vision. Fenty sent it to me. I don't know if they sell this, but it's amazing. I prefer to take this powder with me. This is the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush powder, and I have this little guy right here on top for touch-ups. You know, it's very useful. Honestly, I take this with me not just because I love it, but also because it's very slim. This is the NARS Laguna bronzer, and then I also have this bronzer from Sisley. I've recently started to use this Sun Glow Bronzing Gel Powder. I like it because it has a little bit more glow than my NARS. So it's just giving you that bronzy goddess glow that we all love. And then the only powder highlighter that I have is this one from La Bouche Rouge. Very bougie. Only eyeshadow topper that I take with me is this Bobbi Brown in Moonstone. Nothing compares with this. Like, okay, you made me do it. Okay, babe, like, get close. Oh, it doesn't do it justice. Like, you guys imagine applying this at night. Like, oh my goodness, this shines like a dream. It's so beautiful. Now we're going to talk about lips. I have a lot of lip products because honestly, if you want to change something in your look, like what would be easier than, you know, applying a different lipstick? This is the new Givenchy Rose Perfecto, like a nice dusty rose pink. And then, oh my God, you guys, this one on top of anything, it transforms into goddess. It transforms into gold. Like, it's so nice. This is Broken Glass from NARS. The shine, it won't do it justice, the light, because honestly, like, it's like clear, but it has these like golden reflex. Unbelievable. And then I have a bunch of lipsticks. Of course, I'm gonna have my red lipstick, the one I did in collaboration with La Bouche Rouge. This is my favorite red. And like I said before, you could apply this lipstick, like, let me show you, just in case you haven't seen it. So this lipstick, you could apply, like, just tap it a little bit. It's like so beautiful, and that's the way I like to apply it mostly for like everyday use. But then if you want to go in, you could go in, and you could see the difference between the colors. I also take the scrub, and this is the scrub also from La Bouche Rouge. It's the scrub for the lips and their lip balm. just because they are so pretty. Okay, they're so pretty. I love to have them with me. 5 other lipsticks, 2 from YSL, the Rouge Volupté Shine, and the other ones are from Charlotte Tilbury. There are so many lipsticks that I like, but whenever I need to leave something and it's like the first thing that comes to my mind is like Charlotte Tilbury, I don't know what it did to my brain, okay? Now that I'm thinking about, maybe I should have placed them with my Lisa Eldridge lipsticks. Every time I leave, I have to have with me Sexy Sienna. It's what I have on the middle of my lip right now. Sexy Sienna and the lip liner that I showed you from Makeup Forever, they're like perfection for this like super summery curly lip. I love to have it with me. How can I not have this with me on vacation? And then Penelope Pink. Nothing compares with this color. This is a very like a statement nude. If you want to do like a 90s lip, this is perfection. Sandy beige lip liner from Huda Beauty, and then this lipstick is like unbelievable. Eyeliner, and that's it. And then another lipstick that I take with me because it's a bit more dramatic is this one right here, the Red Carpet Red from Charlotte Tilbury. Honestly, I rarely use it anymore, but it's with me in every single one of my trips. I guess the name also gets me, like Red Carpet Red. Who doesn't want to look like on the red carpet, right? I love Rouge Volupté Shine from YSL for many reasons. Their colors, texture, the way it shines. Like this one, this is 81. Ooh, you guys check this one out. Look, look. And it's super glossy. It's just, you know, like. And then the other one is a very, very beautiful everyday pink. Look, look, like as you can see, I gravitate towards these colors when I go on vacation. I really love it. I mean, they're fun, right? How can I leave any of these colors out of it? The last thing that I forgot to mention because it was under my makeup remover wipes, my blotting paper. I prefer to use blotting paper instead of powder if I can throughout the day. Look at this oil. First of all, it's super practical to have these in your bag. And second of all, you know, you're not adding more product on your face. You're just taking literally just the oil, because that's what I love about these. They do not somehow ruin your makeup. It's just the oil. Like, look, oh, disgusting. Now you're probably going to ask me, where do you keep your brushes? So I don't take a crazy amount of brushes with me. Sorry, this is so old. Okay, so these are my essential brushes. Obviously, I could have a lot more with me. These two need to be washed. Okay, I just used them for today's video. But like, I make sure that I have a brush for powder, a brush for my cream bronzer. This one right here. Powder bronzer, powder blush, highlighter. And then I have some small brushes just in case I want to do my eye makeup, which I told you I'm not really into it. And I have a concealer brush and, like I said, a powder for under the eyes. This is super easy to travel with. Not only that, it does not take a lot of space, but it's not heavy because this is literally fabric. So yeah, let me close this. And that's it. This is probably like what, 4 pounds? This was it, you guys. These were my essentials in terms of makeup. Hope you enjoyed this. Are you the type of girl who takes like all her makeup with you when you're traveling, or like just a tiny little like pouch where you put like everything inside? Thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on Instagram to see like my whole trip in Italy. I'm going to be posting in there more on stories. I really am not into doing, I mean, I love vlogs, but when you do vlogs, you're not really having a real vacation because you're so into like filming everything. So I guess I'm being very selfish when it comes to vacations. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. You should follow me in there. Yeah, and subscribe and click on the ring bell button. Okay, thank you. See you in my next one. Bye. I forgot to put this in my hair. You guys, aren't these like super cute? I bought them from a website. I'll put it in my description box. I have multiple colors, but how fun are these? I'm definitely going to have one of them on my vacation, at least one. It's like super cute. I love it.